Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to show you guys something that I am very embarrassed to show you. But if you like cleaning and organizing videos, then this video is going to be very satisfying. Today's cleaning task, which I really needed to do for a long time, is our bathroom. It's a complete mess. So I'm going to show you guys our sad little bathroom, and hopefully by the end of this video, it's gonna be looking good. Okay, I'm not even gonna like pick up anything at all just so I can show you the state that it's currently in right now. Oh, it's so bad. We are renting this house that we're in, and I don't love the bathroom, like at all. But since we're just renting and probably won't be here too much longer, like I don't really want to do anything about it, to be honest. So we've kind of just made do with what we have to work with, which, yeah, I don't love, but it is what it is. So we're gonna try to organize the best we can in here. Alrighty. Oh, it's so bad. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm so embarrassed right now. This is the current state of our bathroom. I know, don't judge me, because I know, I'm judging myself. Yeah, so over here we have a box of seltzer water as Hallie's stool to get on the toilet, so that's, you know, super classy. We don't have any, like, drawers right here, so stuff just always accumulates right here, like our toothbrushes and stuff, which is very annoying. So we're gonna have to change that. I just need to like clean the bathtub. The kids have like some bath crayons that they write on the bathtub, but we probably should clean that. This is just, you know, days of clothes that need to be put away. Okay, on this side, this little like shelf thing was already in here, which we've utilized, and I got like some storage baskets, but as you can see, like, it's just a complete mess again. So I just need to go through and reorganize and just throw stuff out, and just put some stuff in storage. Like, this is a baby bath. We don't need that in here anymore because Crew is old enough. Yeah, just need to organize all that. Okay, so these cupboards are nice because it is a lot of storage. So I just need to go through and like throw stuff away because there's like honestly years of makeup and hair products in here that obviously I'm not using. So I just need to do like a big clean out sesh in those. Yeah, so that's today's project. I'm actually like super excited about it because I just, this like stresses me out. So I think the first step I need to do here is like get all the clothes and everything that doesn't belong in here out. And then I think I'm gonna get just like a big trash bag and start chucking stuff because some of this stuff has to go. Okay, I'm a genius. So I have contacts all over the place, like all over the floor, in their boxes, and like a giant plastic bag. So I found these IKEA little storage things that I've had in the cupboard for forever. So I'm gonna hang these and store my contacts in here so I can just reach in every day and grab some. And I'm thinking they're gonna fit. Oh, look at that, right there. That is perfect. My eyes are also two different strengths, so I'm gonna have my right eye contacts right here, my left eye right here. Wow, that's so satisfying. Okay, so next I have this little tray that I thrifted, and this was in my bedroom, but I think I'm going to move it in here and just like set it right here and put my everyday makeup stuff just right here. Because right now it's just like stuffed in this little bin, which is just ugly. So I think I'm just going to put like the products that I use every single day and just line them on this tray so I don't have to like dig around in here anymore. one more of these containers that pops on right here. So I'm trying to think what I can put in here that would be easy to like grab out. I'm thinking like my face, like night routine stuff. So I'm gonna see if it all fits in here. Next I'm gonna organize all of these guys. Okay, so this is cleared out, and I kind of wanted more things in here to organize stuff with. So I found these two little random baskets, which we'll do for now, just to kind of keep things organized within the bigger basket. Okay, so this is a good example of how cleaning with kids is so difficult because you start cleaning and then like shoes pop in the bathroom and other random stuff. But it's okay, we're plugging along. Okay, next up is this big bag. This is like all my pregnancy, postpartum, hospital stuff. And so I'm just gonna like organize, throw stuff away, and this is gonna go in one of those top cabinets up there because we do not need this stuff right now. Check out this trash pile coming together though. Random empty boxes and other stuff. That makes me so happy. Okay, this is looking so much better. Look how clean and organized this looks. Okay, next we're gonna tackle these shelves. Okay, you wanna see something really gross? This used to be white lotion. That's so nasty. Yeah, this was at the back of my cupboard. Trash. It's so disgusting. Okay, so I just found these. This is called Prickly Heat, and I got these when I was in Thailand. I lived in Thailand for 4 months when I was in college, and this powder is supposed to help, it like cools you down and helps with like itchy skin or like heat rash in hot environments. Thailand is very, very hot, and I taught at a little elementary school there, and we would see the teachers put this on the kids like every afternoon, and so we're like, oh, we should try this. So all of us American teachers went and got some Prickly Heat, and it's like the best thing ever, and I totally forgot about this stuff. But you like, if you're really, really hot, you put this powder on your face and it like seriously cools you down. Oh, the smell of this brings back so many memories. This is just Thailand. Okay, these are done. They look so much better. Put stuff that I use more frequently down here, and then less frequently, and then the one up there has like all my postpartum pregnancy stuff that I'm not needing right now. Here's this one again, all nice and organized. Here's the current trash pile. 2 huge bags of stuff. That feels so good. Hey guys, I'm just editing this video right now and realized I never really did an outro, probably because it literally took me all day to clean that bathroom. But it feels so good. Isn't it like the best feeling in the world when you have stuff clean and organized? So hopefully it will stay that way. But just want to say thanks for watching. Thumbs up for extreme cleaning videos because they are so satisfying. Love you guys. Bye.